Venation. The arrangement of veins and veinlets in the leaf blade is called venation. Veins are rigid linear structures which arise from the petiole and the midrib and traverse the leaf lamina in different directions. They are vascular ramifications made of conducting and mechanical tissues. They help to distribute the water and dissolved mineral salts through the lamina and carry away the prepared food from it, and it also gives necessary amount of strength and rigidity to the thin flat leaf lamina. There are two types of venations, reticulate venation and parallel venation. The first one, reticulate venation. When the veinlets are irregularly distributed, forming a network is known as a reticulate venation. Example, hibiscus. Reticulate venation is divided into two types, pinnately reticulate venation and palmately reticulate venation. The first one, pinnately reticulate venation. In this type of venation, there is a strong midrib. This gives off lateral veins which proceeds towards the margin or apex of the leaf. Example, ficus and mango. The second one, palmately reticulate venation. In this type, there are a number of more or less equally strong ribs which arise from the tip of the petiole and proceeds towards or upwards. Example, jujubas. Palmately venation is divided into two types, divergent and convergent. In divergent, when the main veins diverge towards the margin of the leaf is known as a divergent palmately type. Example, cucumber. Second one, that is convergent. When the veins converge to the apex of the leaf is known as a convergent palmately type. Example, cinnamon. Second one, that is a parallel venation. When the veinlets run parallel to each other is known as a parallel venation. Example, maize. Parallel venation is divided into two types, pinnately parallel venation and palmately parallel venation. In pinnate parallel venation, in this type of venation, the leaf has prominent midrib and gives off lateral veins which proceeds parallel to each other towards the margin or apex of the leaf blade. Example, banana. Palmately parallel venation. In this type, there are number of one or a more equally strong ribs arise from the tip of a petiole. Palmately venation is divided into two types, divergent and the convergent. Divergent. The veins arise from the tip of the petiole and proceeds towards the margin of the leaf blade in a more or less parallel manner. Example, pan palm. Second one, convergent. A number of more or less equally strong veins proceeds from the base of the leaf blade to its apex is called as a parallel in a parallel direction. Example, bamboo. Last part, that is the function of veins. Veins are rigid structure and their mechanical functions are to give necessary strength to the leaf blade so that it may not get down or crumpled when a strong wind blow, to help the leaf blade remain flat so that its surface may be evenly illuminated by the sunlight. Third one, a very important physiological function of veins is to carry water and inorganic salts into the leaf blade, and finally prepared food material from the leaf into the main body of the plant, particularly the strong organs.